Recently, I've been thinking, what else could I do from an old hard drive? And I thought, why not try making a high voltage capacitor out of the hard drive platters? Let's try. So the construction is rather simple. All you need is the hard drive platters. You need to make sure they are made of metal, so aluminum, because some of the newer laptop hard drives are made from glass. Apart from the platters, you're going to need some isolator. So as the isolator, I'm going to use a piece of an old LCD display. You're going to need some wires, some electrical tape, and that's it. So let's connect it all up. Wires are going to be our capacitor terminals. So the isolator is sandwiched in between the two platters, and that's it. Let's try it out. So I am going to be using my ZVS, high voltage ZVS driver. I'm not going to go into details of how it works in this video because I'm planning to do another video about it. But we're gonna turn it on and see how it works without the capacitor, so we can then compare the results with and without the capacitor. I've got it connected to my bench power supply, which isn't very powerful. It's only 5 amps on the output, so I'm going to be heating the over current protection. But for this test, it's gonna do just fine, because if the capacitor works, then we're gonna see the difference. So that's how it works without the capacitor. Now let's try connecting our high voltage capacitor and see if it makes any difference. Okay, so I've got it connected now, and as you can see, there's definitely a difference. So the capacitor works, the arc is much stronger now. Yeah, I think that works. But let's try using different isolating material between the two platters to see if we can get any better results. So here I'm going to use another piece of LCD display. This one is much thicker. So let's see if we can get this to work at all. Okay, let's switch it on. Oh, I hit the overcurrent protection, so let's switch that off. Oh yeah, well, it's different. That's definitely weaker than it was. So yeah, let's try different isolator this time. Make sure you discharge it before touching it. And again, I'm using another piece of LCD display. This time it's a filter, and let's see how well it works with this as the isolator. switch it on. Oops, over current protection again. Yeah, there you go. Alright, that looks quite promising. It's actually much better than what we started with. If you compare it to the ZVS without the capacitor, that looks way better, way stronger arc. So yeah, I would say that's definitely working. I'm gonna call it a win. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you like, and then I will see you next time, hopefully. Now just enjoy some more close-ups of sparks. Bye for now.